Imagine controlling your entire DeFi world. Staking, trading, NFTs, AI boots, and cross-chain swap, all in one platform. That's exactly what Nexus DeFi is building, the first real and true DeFi super app. Instead of juggling of different tools, you get one intelligent command center that connect over than 100 blockchain and thousands of tokens and bridge with zero trading fees. And the best part, it's fully decentralized, private, and secure ZK, Snarks, and MPC wallet. So today we'll break down how Nexus DeFi could redefine the DeFi experience and why their token is built for a real utility, not speculation. And let's get started. So here guys, we're on the official website of Nexus DeFi. As we can see, the presale is live and we're on the first stages. We're currently on the second stage of a total stage of 65, so the price is still low. We'll talk about the token also in this video. So as we can see here, all crypto one app with a total control. So as we see on the label below, Nexus DeFi is the first true operating system for the decentralized economy, a unified non-custodial command center for your entire digital asset life. Here we can check their audited make by searching. Here we have all the PRs. Here we have the token in which you could buy the Nexus token with. So here we have how to buy Nexus token. So the first thing to do is to create your wallet, or if you have already one, you could connect it easily. So download MetaMask or your wallet of choice from the App Store, Google Play for free. Desktop user, download the Google Chrome extension by being to metamask.io. Here we have get some crypto, so you should found your wallet with Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and also USDT in your wallet, and you could swap it directly to NXS token. So if not, you can buy them on MetaMask, transfer from other wallet, or purchase another exchange and send to your wallet. And here also we have go to presale. So the page up, you could go to the next DeFi presale page, go to the center presale widget on the page and click connect to wallet, select MetaMask on your preferred wallet provider, then you could buy next. So the thing you should do is to click here on connect to wallet, then select the option. You could buy it using the card or also using the crypto. You choose the wallet. Here we have wallet connect, brave wallet, best wallet, phantom, trust wallet, and other 90 other wallet available. So it's too easy, just follow the step mentioned here and you could easily buy the Nexus token. So here we have the end of crypto chaos. So the objective of Nexus is to unify DeFi by providing over than 100,000 tokens in over than 100 blockchains. So here we have the utilities. So we have a universal trading and liquidity, aggregate liquidity from over than 100 CX and DX, trade over 100,000 asset with optimal price and minimal slippage from one terminal, and intelligent DeFi and automation, so you could consolidate staking, lending, LDR farming, deploy capital into smart vault for automated DCA rebalancing and auto compounding. And finally we have the finalization of NFT, so you could transform digital collectible into dynamic financial instrument with cross-chain maintain, staking, fractionation, and NFT backed lending, and the bridging DeFi in the world. So a seamless fiat on off and on ramp with support for Visa, MasterCard, and bank transfer. Spend crypto globally with the Nexus DeFi payment card. So as you can see, we have in this DeFi app or platform over than 100,000 token on 100 blockchain with an intelligent DeFi and automation and an NFT supported. And we will see that they will bridge DeFi into the real world by their credit card. And here we have a fair launch for a community first ecosystem. So here you can expand and explore their ecosystem. So here on their white paper, we can explore the tokenomics and also the ecosystem with the details. So first we should know that the total supply is 5 billion token. 50% will be allocated and sold on the pre-sale. So the majority of the token supply is allocated to the public for fair distribution through a multi-stage pre-sale. As we mentioned before, it's a 65 stage, and we're on a low stage is the second stage, so the price is still low, and this is the perfect chance to discover this project. We have also the reward is 25%. It's a sustainable allocation, is reserved for second rewards, loyalty incentive, and the community program, ensuring long-term value for active participants. So the 25% of the total supply will be distribution for the community and the holders. The CX less than 10%. This allocation is reserved for providing the necessary liquidity for listing on top-tier centralized exchange, ensuring a healthy and stable trading market post-launch. And also we have the development, it's 10%. This supply will be used to fund the project from the team developers and what the project will need. As we see here, these funds are earmarked for development, maintenance, and security auditing on the Nexus DeFi platform. And as we mentioned before, the audit is made by Certic. And we have also finally the marketing. It's 5%. This allocation will be found global marketing campaign, community growth initiative, and strategic partnership to drive mass adoption. So here we have a quick demo or schema for the allocation and where it will be distributed. So we'll go back now to their website, and here we can discover what's problem do Nexus DeFi solve and what solution do they provide. So first we have the platform fragmentation, so user jungle between multiple tools or app wallet for trading on multiple trading tool or wallet, and that's very complex. So the solution that Nexus DeFi provided is to provide one unified and smart platform. The second problem is the overbearing KYC and centralizing. So as we can see, most platforms demand invasive KYC, violating privacy of users. So Nexus DeFi provide a zero KYC, and here also we have a pressure report and unfair access. And here the solution is to democratize access to incentive grade tool, including built-in sniper boot, MEV boot, real-time copy trading, and anti-boot launchpad protection. And here we have the cumbersome DeFi UX. So users struggle with multiple wallet, confusing gas wallet, gas fee, risky approval, and a high chance of error. So the Nexus DeFi solution is to bring a simple, beautiful interface with a unified multi-chain wallet, smart gates estimator, and a transaction simulation and AI-powered risk alert. And here we can see the security and privacy. It's the primary thing that you should see in a DeFi platform or any crypto project. So here we have, it's by default, we have the MPC wallet, the transaction sandbox, the token trust score, and the architectural privacy. And here we should move to the roadmap to see which is the incoming steps for the team. So here we have a strategic path to the decentralization. So we're now on the first phase, as we mentioned. As we can see here, this point here is highlighted. So it's the foundation. We have a launch of core dApps on iOS, Android, and web, and in MPC White with supported of top 20 chain, Exchange Hub V1, the DeFi Center V1 with charging, staking, and tracking foundation Smart Vault, and the intelligent layer on the second phase. The third phase will be on ecosystem expansion. And here, if you want to stay updated and join the newsletter of Nexus DeFi, you could just submit your info here and you will be updated of anything. Or you could go directly to the footer or the header of the website. You will find their Telegram account, their Twitter account, and their Instagram. Here we have finally the frequently asked question, where we will find every details, or you could go to directly to their white paper. We will find the details explained page by page. So guys, that was all for today's video. For Nexus DeFi links, you will find everything on the description box below. If you're watching channel, don't forget to let us a like, also subscribe, let us a comment below, and see you in the next video.